Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our web scraping. And today we're going to be looking at scraping off the headlines from Yahoo News. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one micro topic at a time, one micro video at a time. So we know all this over here before. We're going in, we get our soup object, and it's got all kinds of good stuff to it. So, wow. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we learned 2 videos ago that the headlines sit in an H3 tag. So let's go ahead and grab those. All right. That's why it is so important for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Because like I said, we build upon these. So H3, boom. All right, let's bring this back in, and then we're going to look at headlines. Watch this. Headlines, and we're going to look at, close this out, the first 10. Oh! This has some stuff to it. Let's just look at headlines. There we go. This looks very familiar to what we worked with last video, that we are going to be laser focused on this right here. This is the headline. So we're going to use what we know, because right now this is a tag, and we need to then be able to go through and pull these out. And I'm going to add some regular expressions. We can do this several ways, and we're going to accomplish the task, then we're going to dig deep, then we're going to accomplish the task, then we're going to dig deep. You can get lost in these tags very, 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 very quickly. So we're going to stay top level right now, as there are all kinds of information inside of, yeah. So, all right. So we're going to use what we know right now to accomplish the task that we have. So here we go. So for headline in headlines. Now, so we want to grab this out of here, right there. All right. Now, right now, this object, we will not be able to, let's just peek at it. Okay, it's this tag. We need to change this to a string to use regular expression. Headline equals string headline. All right. So now, last video we used, and I'm gonna show you some things that we've added, that some comments. Well, here, let's just look at it. So, all right, there we are. So here's, and then let's, we're going to add to that later. So now, this is going to kick out some odd stuff. Here, let's show what this is going to create, because this is going to create a list, so we're going to have to do a little janky. Again, this is hacking at it. It gets the job done. I want you to be able to get this done before you go. I don't like just throwing everything out there for BeautifulSoup and it'd be completely overwhelming and you have no idea how to be able to repeat it. All right, so we got it. Here's another little hint tag right there. All right. So title. Let's grab this. Okay. Headline. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm forgetting to turn this into a string. So headline, there we go. Now this will work. So then what does title do? I'm going to get a list. So sometimes you're going to get this list and it's going to not be in this order because it may grab another one. So that's when we need to do title dot sort, and we want the longest of the strings at the top. So reverse true, then headline titles. So the reason why this has to be this way so far is just how embedded Yahoo News is, and it has all, and again, we can look at some of the classes and we're going to clean this up, but I want you to be able to do this now longhand and understand it. So now we're going to add this to titles.append, and we're going to drop this right there. So we know how to do that. So title, then, so it's a list of objects, of strings inside a list. So it's the first one, then starting at 1 and going forward. And I think I forgot a parentheses. There we are. Then for headline in headline titles, print headline. Now, like I was alluding to earlier, there are a couple things that might get left off. Double quote, and then here's another one that I've found that Yahoo likes to use a lot, is some dashes. And you can tell by things like this. So you can go through and add extra characters along those lines. But this is, ooh, here was one of them, also one of the others. Boom, and then a semicolon, or a colon. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Awesome way to go and scrape the Yahoo News titles off of Yahoo News. So there we go, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.